Hi guys, Yuri Zavitsky, Lucidity for All, and I'm your lucid dreaming astral projection coach, or how I like to call it, the shift, or that's the shit. And today's subject gonna be your personal mastery, not somebody else's, not my mastery, but you. Where would you like to go? So I would like to dwell on that, and that will be putting you into a nice perspective with your upcoming efforts and where you want to go. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the information, and please watch all the previous videos of the series for you to get proficient in the art of the shift before year 2023, and we are approaching almost the year end now. So if you just joined the channel today, subscribe and please watch all the videos, do the comments. I will be so that's your way to communicate with me, to get all the information, and I will be replying you right away in the comment area down below. Okay guys, so let's dive into the subject of personal mastery in the shift, lucid dreaming and astral projection. So you see, I say personal mastery. It has nothing to do with the mastery of somebody else. So I came up with this idea, and I think it's very important. It's personal. Every person will be different. You will go from the guy, very scientific and very applied, and who will be very organized in the efforts, maybe having an Excel sheet where the person is doing a strategy of what kind of technique the person is going to apply on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, etc., and everything is planned and very, very controlled. And then probably me, I will be on the opposite spectrum. So that's how I am. My mastery, where the direction that I'm taking right now, it's more on the lazy side. So I'm even though, as you have noticed now, the information that I have inside my head is quite organized. You can just look at the series of the videos I have done and the way I present things. It is organized, but I am not a complete scientist with everything planned, A, B, C, D. Even though I need that to do things a little bit organized. But I'm a little bit artist as well, where I allow myself a bit of dance left and right, and so I like a little bit of a lazy approach, but lazy, not lazy. Lazy in the sense that I don't like to, even though I come back to the techniques and technical approach and how to say, in an organized way, and it's like a super weapon, come to the night and shoot that and you get the results. I like that. I come back to that once in a while too, but at the same time I want to find a little bit of balanced. Waking up in the middle of the night requires a little bit of efforts, and doing just wake back to bed if it's if you put an alarm and wake up and go around, maybe take a galantamine with choline and come back and then putting the pressure. Okay, I took supplements and now I have to shift. It's heavy. I find it's effort, so I want to put minimal effort with maximum result. So that's why I say sometimes I don't get the results I want. Boom, I shoot with the technical approach, I get the results, and then I come back to more lazy approach, and I look for this balance. So my mastery, I didn't say I reached the mastery now. I'm looking for that kind of balanced thing where minimal effort, or my efforts are more, how to say, money well spent. The energy is well spent. There is no point for me to do 100 reality checks in a day if I don't get the results. I prefer to do 3 reality checks in a day and get the results. There's no point for me to do 3 hours meditation if I can just sit down, find the right state of mind within 1 minute, and to communicate to my inner self, higher self, subconscious mind, I prefer to say subconscious self or dream machine, to tell what I want to do, etc. And the communication is efficient, rather than bombarding myself with 1,000 efforts in a day and to not get the results. You see what I mean? So I look for that balance and efficiency. Minimal efforts, maximum results. So I call it lazy. It's not lazy in the sense that I'm doing a research on that, and I want to find that balance. I don't say that my way of doing is the best, because I know guys who are very well organized, Excel sheets, etc., and they have their orgasm with that kind of organization. And so there is no judgment. You see, that is why I say it is a personal thing, and you need to decide what you want to do. I can help you out on both. I did all of them, and I can tell you my experience of all of them. So I'm just telling you that I am taking the decision to tell where my personal mastery is going to be, and some of you guys will enjoy that kind of mastery, while some of you guys will decide, no, my mastery will be, I will be more applied and more analysis, more statistical data. I will be analyzing more of this, and I'm interested by that too. I'm reading you guys also. If you came up with some interesting data and results, I'm very interested by that as well. So the interest is everywhere. I'm not like getting polarized to go to one direction and not another. I'm not like this. But I take directions. But my direction is not polarizing me in any way. I'm still listening to everyone, and I do not want to miss any kind of interesting information. You know, I'm curious. So curiosity is my friend. And that's what I propose to you. Be curious, but at the same time choose a direction, because direction will make you happy. Because if you didn't take direction, you will listen to everybody, but you don't know where you go. So if you don't know where you go, you don't know when you're gonna be happy, you know. So I achieve certain result with certain energetic input in terms of my efforts. I get the result, and that makes me happy. So this is how I bring happiness into this effort of the personal mastery on the way of the art in the shit of lucid dreaming and astral projection. Okay guys, so this is for today, and so if you like what I do, please like. That is like you throwing flowers to me and saying thanks for what I do. It's all free. My channel is still not monetized. So at least a little thanks from you in terms of likes, a little message, just say thanks or tell me what you think. I will be very happy to hear, you know. That's at least because I do the videos in front of the camera alone is a bit lonely. So you communicate with me, I'm super happy to have your news, you know, to know that I help somebody. That's the happiness I'm talking about too. You know, I like the videos, I like the video editing, I like to make the videos entertaining for you so that you don't fall asleep listening to me. Some guys told me I have an ASMR voice to fall asleep, so I try to put, you know, some animation so you don't fall asleep and you watch the video until the end. You get all the information, so you learn. You don't just watch, you learn. But at the same time, yeah, I like to have a bit of communication with you guys, and I help you out. So please leave some comments. Don't hesitate. Like the video. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Activate the notifications so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. If you already subscribed, verify that notifications are on so you don't miss out when the new videos come out. YouTube notifies to you, you know. So I think many of you are subscribed, but maybe notifications are not on, so you don't know that my video is out already or 10 videos are out. And if you are new, again, watch the previous videos of the playlist. Look down below, there is a playlist. You have all the previous modules that brings you up until this moment in the learning process before the year 2023 hits. And this video is supposed to be the last, unless I come up with something else. Let's see. Okay, So happy new 2023 in advance, or Merry Christmas if it's already happened in your country, and see you guys soon. Okay, and if you are excited by the information and would like to learn more or faster, be my guest, visit my website, and that is also your way to support me. You can enroll in my courses. So I already put in place the courses that contain 100% of the information. Nothing is amiss inside my classes that you will find on my website. And if I missed something, just let me know and I will complete the course, but I don't think so. Everything is absolutely everything with no secret is part of this course. And the best, if you have a little bit of finance, is to get the unlimited package, because that will mean that you will have as many classes with me in person, as many as you wish. If you fly to Malaysia, you will have classes in person with me, and we do online courses regularly. You planified the courses. You just tell me, Yuri, next week I would like to have a course, and you have a course. I will always say yes. I never say no. So that's how it works. And so that package, unlimited courses, you don't have to pay for any workshop in your life. You just come and say, Yuri, let's work on that particular subject in the shift, and we do that. And some other guys will come and join. The classes are not huge. It's about 3 to 5 people usually who join. So it's not like 100 people where you have to raise your hand and you're not sure if you can ask a question. So that's it. And maybe I have some promos for the year end. I'll let you know. Just check in the comments if I put some promo codes to get a discount for the year end, and then you can get my courses a little bit cheaper. So that will be my present for the year end. Okay, guys. So really now, subscribe, like, activate notifications, and see you guys soon in 2023. Yuri Zaritsky, Lucidity for All, signing out. Ciao.